Alright, today we're gonna put some more transmission fluid in this car because I forgot when I did do my conductor plate on this car, I did drain out the torque converter, so I gotta add a little bit more transmission fluid in it. So I'm gonna get this car out the garage and back it up right here because it's too tight of a spot to get that jack between these two cars. Then I might just keep it in the driveway and just pick my line my front bumper up while I'm in the driveway. Since I got the fenders on. Alright, got the car jacked up, so I'm gonna have to get my air compressor, this hose, I'm gonna hook this stuff up and plug it up with the plug. Where my transmission fluid at? Right here. Which one this is? Alright, ATF 134 FE. That's the one. It's the blue fluid. I probably just put this whole thing in there. Say it is. This empty is halfway full. Yeah, I'm just open that one up. Alright, got everything set up. Got that all plugged up. Let me put some air in this. Now I'm about to start the car and unplug the transmission plug. So I'll put that one in there. Everything plugged in. You want to turn the compressor on. Make sure everything's good. And everything's plugged in. You want to start the car. I mean, no, the car's already started. You want to put it in gear, man. Alright, it's good. Don't mind the transmission fluid. I put a little too much in it. But whenever it starts to, whenever you fill up the transmission and it how can I say, if it spills back out, that's how you know it's too much transmission fluid in there. And if it starts dripping, that's when you can plug it back in. So it's good right now. Some of that are idle. I'm gonna put it in drive, let the transmission fluid go through the torque converter.